Well, guys, the debate between insiders versus outsiders, nepotism and favoritism continues to wage on. After Abhay Deol shared a post about how he felt sidelined at an awards function in spite of being one of the three leading men in the film Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, his co-star and producer Farhan Akhtar went on to indirectly share that actors who constantly seek validation end up only feeling disappointed. Here's the story. After Abhay Deol spoke about how he was demoted to supporting actor at awards shows the year Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara released, Farhan Akhtar, who was Abhay's co-star in the film and one of the producers of the movie, has responded indirectly to Abhay's comments and said that seeking validation constantly will only lead to disappointment. Abhay, who was one of the three leads in Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara alongside Farhan Akhtar and Hrithik Roshan in a coming-of-age friendship drama, had shared how simply because of perceived industry status as A-lister, Hrithik had received Best Actor nomination और अभय को फरहान के साथ सपोर्टिंग एक्टर की कैटेगरी में डाला गया था। अभय ने उस साल किसी भी अवार्ड शो में जाने से इनकार कर दिया, लेकिन अपनी सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट में कहा कि फरहान फिर भी गए थे। अभय ने एक सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट में अपना एक्सपीरियंस बयान किया था और ये भी कहा था कि बॉलीवुड में लॉबिंग ऑब्वियस है, लेकिन उनके नाम को सपोर्टिंग एक्टर की कैटेगरी में डालना एक ओवर्ट अटेम्प्ट एट लॉबिंग था। अभय के इन व्यूज पर उनके को-स्टार और फिल्म के प्रोड्यूसर फरहान अख्तर ने इनडायरेक्टली जवाब देते हुए कहा कि पीपल हैव टू डिसाइड इफ व्हाट देयर पर्पस ऑफ एंटरिंग द इंडस्ट्री इज। Speaking to an e-conclave, Farhan Akhtar responded indirectly to the comments his co-star had made about award shows in Bollywood. He said, "You are constantly hearing about some rat race and everybody is fighting each other to some kind of spot which does not exist." Farhan ने अपनी बात को explain करते हुए ये भी कहा था that there is no alternative to hard work and working sincerely. लेकिन अपने टैलेंट और अपनी कामयाबी को मैगजीन कवर्स, न्यूज़पेपर हेडलाइंस या फिर अवार्ड से मेजर करना गलत है। फरहान said, "Have you come here to be an actor, director, singer, music composer, or you have come here to be a reality star? Have you come here to be just, I don't know, a star?" The multifaceted Farhan, who is an actor, singer, writer and producer-director, was also very frank when he spoke about how different personalities cope differently with the realities of the field. "I feel that's a very personal thing. If in your personality you are constantly seeking validation for things, you will. There is no eventuality possible but disappointment. It is not possible to keep getting validation from other people," he added during his statement in the e-conclave. फरहान और अभय अब जिंदगी में दोबारा साथ काम कर पाएंगे या नहीं, ये तो सिर्फ वक्त ही बताएगा, लेकिन बॉलीवुड में बैटल लाइंस ड्रॉन है, ये भी कहीं ना कहीं नजर आ रहा है।